Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Alex Ryan. Today I'm going to reveal a pretty cool little trick that you can do with Amazon and basically working out whether or not it's a good product to jump on, and also a little trick to find out whether or not they're actually selling products. All right, so bear with me guys. We're going to get started in just a moment. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products and fingers crossed, hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. You know, some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire? All right, welcome back. So guys, we're going to be looking today at mugs, right? So I've covered this in a previous video on why people are buying, general household stuff on Amazon, and yes, they do buy it. All right, so we're going to do a quick look at the stats on this particular product. Okay, already it's telling me high demand, low competition, which is always a good little thing to start off with. It's always my little green little thumbs up, green little flags, yeah. All right, so I want to show you something on some of these mugs. So I want to show you basically how much money they're making. But on top of that, I'm going to show you another little tactic that you can use to find out how much stock that they are initially holding and how to check up on that. All right, so we'll just wait for it to load. And while we're waiting for this to load, I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're wanting to get something started, guys, on Amazon, and the biggest thing holding you back is, not too sure what product to bring in, or you're not too sure, what the next step is, or how to do your product research, then first of all, I'm really blessed that you have found me. I'm very thankful that you have found me, and this is what I've been doing. This is how I've been helping students for many years now find products, find reputable suppliers, find feasible, viable, and profitable products. All right, there is a system to it. It's not like winning the lotto or anything like that. There is a system to finding products. Unfortunately, most people, play the game of roulette and chance with finding products, and they try a whole bunch of stuff, and it doesn't work, and it flops, and they lose money. But there is a right way to doing it. Okay, so you can either go out there and figure out for yourself, or you can work with me. All right, guys. So here you can see we've got a whole bunch of stuff here. This particular coffee mug here, it's a mug, a set of 6 from the looks of it. Let's have a look in a little more detail. I want to see what's so good about this product. Well, you can see here, they're doing 13 grand per month in revenue. They've got 8 reviews, only 8 reviews. That's already a good sign. That's a sign that they're actually doing, it's a sign that's very easy to sort of outrank them. Here we go. Large handle mugs for coca tea special porcelain. Alrighty, and let's look at a few others. So we've got a Muse. Wow, they're doing 17 grand a month plus, and this is USD, mind you. All right, so imagine what they will be converted to Australian dollars or to the British pounds. 32 reviews. That is a good sign. Now, it's a basic cup. Look at that, basic porcelain cup. Nothing fancy. It's very private labeled. There's nothing wrong with putting your little logo underneath it. All right, just as long as you don't put Harrods underneath it, or Indian porcelain, or China, or something like that. Actually, that reminds me. If something is made in China, you actually do have to have the Made in China sticker on the box. All right, just be aware of that. All right, so guys, let's have a look in more detail on this product. Okay, so this is the Amuse product. They're doing some pretty good numbers. Okay, what was the numbers they're doing? Here we go. $17,000, nearly 18,000 USD dollars per month. Is this a product that you can be involved in? Is this a product that you reckon you could sell? Pretty basic, right? People are buying this on Amazon. Now, let's say, for example, just for the sake of argument, I was interested in this particular product. So let's just figure out. This is actually what I want you to do. All right? I want you to go and find a product on Amazon. I want you to click Add to Cart as though you were going to buy this particular product. All right. And here we go. We're going to click View Cart. All right. Now, we're going to go to Quantity and go to +10. Okay. And then enter 999. All right, this is my little trick, all right? Because basically, I want to figure out how many they actually do have in stock in real time. And click Update. This seller has only 776 of these available. Okay. It's actually telling me, it's communicating with the Amazon FBA warehouse. It's telling me exactly how many they have in stock. Is that helpful? Now, if you wanted to know how many they're actually selling per day, what you need to do is just check in tomorrow. Just come in tomorrow, do the same thing, and tomorrow might be 750. You'll be like, wow, okay, that's pretty good. They sold 26 last night. Then the next day, it would be 700 and 700. You'd be like, wow, actually sold quite a few overnight. And then the next day it might be 800. So they actually bought more stock. So you can sort of see the price, it going up and going down. You can actually see how many they're actually moving in real time. Okay, you can monitor their stock levels. It's like a little secret agent, sneaky little hack. So guys, use that wisely. My name's Alex Ryan. I wish you the best on your Amazon success. And if you're looking to get involved or needing help with finding hot products or finding quality suppliers over in China, that's exactly what I've been doing now for about 10 years. And I'm happy to help you out as well. So check out our website. We've also got a free video program on our website which walks you through the steps to setting up a successful Amazon business, finding the right products, finding the right suppliers, and a whole bunch more. Check it out. And thanks for joining me. And feel free to share this. If you know someone who's doing Amazon or thinking about doing Amazon or selling stuff online or wanting to quit the 9 to 5 and maybe start a little side business, a side hustle, please do like, comment, and share this video. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me, guys. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.